Hello guys. So in this video we'll deal with the Z ordering. Okay. So what is Z ordering? Z ordering is a technique to co-locate the related information in the same set of a file. This behavior drastically reduces the amount of data that Delta Lake on the Databricks to read. To implement Z ordering on the data, we need to specify the columns to order in the Z order by clause. Okay. So we need to use this Z order with the optimize command. Okay. And if you want to expect a column to be commonly used in query predicates, and if that column has high cardinality, right? I mean, high cardinality means there is a large number of distinct values, then you have to go for Z ordering. If you have a small, I mean, low amount of low cardinal values, then you can go for partitioning. Okay, why we are using the Z ordering with the optimize? See, when we optimize, the small file get compacted, okay, and it is in unordered form. But when we are using the Z ordering with optimize, then it will be in a series form. Okay, it will be in ordered form. So, uh, what is query predicate? Query predicate means it defines the expression. Okay, it defines the conditional expression where filter statement used to be defined. Okay, so we'll start here. So I will show you one thing how we are taking a data from the Databricks. In the internal part of a Databricks, there is a data. I will show you. You can write the same query as I am writing here, or you can check via using this ls also. Okay, I think our resource were not connected. Wait for a minute. Okay, now our cluster have been started. So you can see here we have a Databricks file system. Okay, so I will write here slash Databricks data sets. Now you can see here there is a lot of data. You can use this to learn. I mean, you can hands-on on this. So we can take a data ASA. Okay, airlines slash. Okay, now we can take a data from here. I'll read this data here. So I will write here df hyphen here is equal to spark dot read dot format csv, okay, dot option for schema true, okay, dot below, okay, for schema everything is fine here. Okay, okay, option header true. I'll show you in a brief like how it functions. Okay, now we'll load this file. Okay, what is the file here? Databricks CSV. Okay, now I will show you here df here show. I'll run this. See, Z order is not work on views. Okay, so we will write this data frame in the form of table. Okay, so we'll write this after all. You can see here after all the data will come here as a result. So after that, I will write here. Here you can see here the data is very large. Okay, now I will write this df dot df hyphen here dot write dot market delta delta dot Estimate. Okay. We'll check here. Retailer dot airlines. Okay. Write it as like airlines. Okay. Now we'll see here what's going on. So you can see here that data will be in some messy ways. Okay. So we'll run after all. So you can remember if you are expect a column to be commonly used in a query predicate, and if that column has high cardinality, then you can use a Z ordering. Okay. Otherwise, if there is a low cardinal values, so you can go for partitioning. So right now I'll read that airline data set. Okay. Now till it will be come as a, it will write here as a table. We'll save it as a table. I'll write here one query after all. We'll see this data first. It will take a lot of time. I'll explain you after all some uh, in some, what I can say. I mean, there is some documentation also given in the Google. So I will Google it after all. I will tell you about that. Okay. I will explain you it in a brief so you will understand it better. Okay. Now our job has been successful. Okay. Now I will check create star from, okay, create star, sorry, retailer dot airlines. Okay. We'll see here. Okay. Retailer dot airline. Okay, sorry. Select, going very fast. I'll see. The data will be in a tabular and well-structured format. Now we'll check. See, in this table, first we will see here, day of month will be 3, okay, and it will be in a ordered format, okay. You can see here it will be in the ordered format. Month is also in the ordered format. But when we are optimizing, it will be not in ordered format. Okay. So we'll do here. I mean, it is already sorted out, but some data are not in it in unordered form. Then what we'll do? So I will go through it. I will show you the query. I will write the query here, and you can understand after all. I will show you the UI. Okay. So select count star from, okay. So S lines that, comma, what is their file is, comma, month and destination. Yeah, according to destination, we will group by, okay, and we'll filter according to day of month. Okay, flights, month and destination. Okay, and write this number month. Okay, from, what is our table name here? Retailer dot airlines. Retailer dot airlines. Okay, where where day of month is equal to 3. Okay. Group by destination, comma, month. Okay. Now we'll execute this query. You can see here how much time it will take. You can see. So it is taking 3.1 second. Okay. I will do one thing. Okay, fine. No issue. We'll optimize with Z order. Okay. So what we'll do here, we'll write a query. Okay. Optimize, optimize what? Table. Taylor dot airline. Okay. Taylor dot airlines and Z order by day of month. Okay. So when it optimize the file, optimize when we are using the optimize, we use when we have a large amount of small files. Okay, we have we have a so many files that and each file is in very small amount, so we can compact that file. Okay, and optimize having a 1 GB of a size. So when we have a 2 GB of files and so many files are there, so it creates two files. Okay, it creates a two files as I have shown in the previous video. So on that time, that data was not compacted, but now I will show you this time. This file has been compacted, and you can see here the file having a large amount of metadata. Okay, so this file is around 9 to 10 files and it will be compacted in one file. So uh, it is a, I mean, that is the way of compacting. It compacts the small file into one single file. It combines the small file in one single file. Okay. Now we will see here, we will optimize this by Z ordering. So it will order this, order this table according to the column. Okay. So it will good in it will speed up the query it will speed up the query retrieval. Okay, and after that you can also see, like suppose I will also show you after all. Okay, so you will better understand that. So the 3.1 second it will take. Okay, it will take 3 seconds. Now we'll run the same query after that, and you can see here. You can see here once the query will be completed, I will show you. But first we will see the UI here. Okay. So in this UI, I will show you number of files readed. Okay. I will show you here where is the number of files read. 8 files have been read. Okay. 8 files have been read. Number of files prone 0. Okay. So 8 files have been read. If it will be in a non-ordered form, so it will be 1, 2, or whatever it will be. Okay, I will show you. You can understand, can better understand, and now you can check this. Once this optimize, when it will be optimized and ordered by, then you can see this. It is taking a lot of time right now. As usually we can see, this data is also a very large format. Okay, now it will be optimized. Okay, so one file will be added and 8 file will be removed. Okay, now we'll see here. Okay, sorry. Now we'll run this query again, and you can see how much time it will take. 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds it takes, and it takes a 3 minute. Sorry, it takes 3 seconds. It will take a 2 second. And I don't have a, I mean, I just have this day. We have just, sorry, we just ordered this. Okay, we have Z ordering this by day of month. This column has been Z ordered, but it is in already in ordered form. It's some when it will be, if I mean, some column will not be in a ordered form, then it will be take a lot of time when we are when we first time execute this query. Okay, so here the timing is also different, and you can see right now I will also show you the number of file has been read. So according to the internal mechanism, you can understand it very well. Okay, so I will show you here. Okay, view. Okay, click in this associated job. Sorry, associated SQL query. Spend all the query, and you can see you will surprise after seeing this. So where it will be to check that number of not partition, not data size, number of files, number of files read. You can see here one file has been read. Okay, one file only has been read, and on that file you have seen you can uh, rewind back to the video. You can see that eight file has been read. Okay, eight file has been read. So this is the difference when we are using the Z order by. Okay, so what actually the benefit of Z order while using with the optimize? You can understand it co-locate the same kind of data in the uh, related file, right? So I think you got this, and now I will explain you in some better thing. I'll show you I will Google that till now. Okay. So now I have a one scenario base here, and you can understand the Z ordering. Z ordering is nothing but an extension of optimize, right? We have already seen that. Optimize, while combining smaller files, does not care about the ordering of data. That I want to share with you. Okay, so it when we are using the optimize command, it does not care about the ordering of data and randomly combines the file. It randomly compacts the small files, right? So if we add z order to our optimize command, what it will do, it will order the that small files. Okay, so our small file will get combined in specific order as specified in the z order. So here is the scenario. Let's say we have an employee data table having six data files. Okay, so this data file you can see here, each file is of 500 MB. Okay, this 500. So 3 GB of file we have. Okay, so now we we perform an optimize operation and it result in 1 GB. Okay, I have already told you like optimize default sizes when we are performing optimize operation, optimize command. Okay, so it compact the file and the limitation will be in 1 GB. So the file will be less than 1 GB, then it will be having a one file. When it will be more than 1 GB, it will be two file. Okay, so three files have been created after all. Okay, now when we are using optimize operation, what happens? The file will be in unordered form. Okay, like you can see the operation I will show you. Okay, so the file one will having a 111 to 999. Okay, file two having 22 to 888. Okay, file three having 444 to 999. Okay, so this is the metadata it contains when we are using optimize it unordered the optimize that file. I mean it compact the file in unordered form. So like we'll see here we are using this query like employee ID is equal to 444. So what happened? First it will go to the first file. Okay, then it will go to second file, and then definitely it will go to the third file. So there is a no data escaping as first query. You can see the scenario here. If goes to the first file, it checks the minimum and maximum values. Okay, first. Okay, then second and third. So there is a possibility to find 444. Hence, it adds to the list of files that need to be scanned. Similarly, file 2 and 3 would also fall in the range. Okay, and ultimately the Delta engine would need to scan all these files. So there is no use of data escaping here. Okay, we don't get any advantage of data escaping here. Now you can see the query less than 333. Okay, so what it will do? it will go to the first file, and it will go to the second file, and it is skip the third file, right? It is skip the third file as it is not in range. Okay, but what happen if there is a it will check here 444, and it also will go to the three files. It will go around these three files. Okay, so this is the issue here. If we are using the optimize command, we the data will be in unordered form. Okay, now we will use the Z order in this place. So what happen? The data will be in a ordered format like employee ID 111, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, and no 6 here. Okay, 8 and 9. Okay. So what we will do here? So the performance of the same query, same second query will be. So what it will do? It will directly catch up this file too. Okay, it will directly catch up this file too. Okay, because it is in ordered form. Now we have used the Z order. It will be in ordered form, and you can check the this query will directly jump to 444, this second file. Okay, now we'll go to this employee where MID is smaller than 33. So it will directly jump to first file because it is in order form, right? So here I have already told you about that. Like from the stats, it will there is already having a stats. Okay, it is already having a stat. It's not like it will jump to the directly to the file. It jump to the delta log. Okay, the delta log having a metadata, and it directly reference to that metadata. It not jump to the file. Okay, so from the stats, delta engine will directly look to into go and look into file second. Okay, here in the file second, and from query to from the statistics, delta engine will directly go and look into file 1 because greater is sorry smaller than employee ID smaller than 333. So it will go around this all. Okay, so here what happened, the it is also, I mean, Z order, optimize, vacuum, these all are a part of a query, or sorry, a performance optimization technique in Delta, used in Delta table or Delta lake on Databricks, and it skips the data. Okay, when we are using the Z order, it is skips the data. Data skipping means it is skips, uh, instead of reading the whole data, it instead of scanning all the data, it scan only the metadata. Okay, and the metadata, the data will be in ordered form, so it will scan only the one data. Okay, whatever the need it have. Okay, so you will got the, I mean, it will boost up the query execution and perform and also enhance the performance, so it will take a less time while reading the file. Okay, so I hope you guys have get this, and I also recommend everyone to, whenever you are googling something, okay, so go through the medium page, that is a paid page, but you can also get a lot of stuff in a free form also, so you can just search about that, and whatever we have. Okay, so next we will learn about the delta cache. It is renamed actually, and it's known as a disk cache. Okay, so you can also search about the disk cache. So thanks for this session. Have a great day. Thank you.